How many times has your insurance company been sued for not paying claims? We're going to find out. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how you can find out in your local county or any county, no matter what state you live in, you can find out how many times your insurance company is being sued. We're going to get into this. This is a fun, different type of exercise and video. Let me tell you a bit about me. My name is Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. Here's my contact information. And I represent people in various different claims when their homes have been damaged, whether that's from a fire, any type of water damage, plumbing issues, roof leaks, hurricanes, anything regarding that. People hire public adjusters to help them get money from their own insurance company. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can find out how many times your insurance company is currently being sued. You could go back any time frame that you want, but you always want to put in your county's name and then clerk of courts. We're going to start off with Broward. Broward County Clerks of Court. Now, I would go to case search, but I want to show you guys a front page on what you look for. Sometimes they have online records like here. No, you always want to try and find case search. So you click on that. I already had Universal Property since they are the worst insurance company in Florida, so we could take a look at. So you also can do individually. Some clerk of courts website may not have business name. You might have a register, and I'll show you what I mean. We'll go to another one after this. So let's just use the last 2 years. So we'll go to January 1st to current. Take a guess. How many do you think Universal is defending? How many lawsuits against them? So record searches are limited to the first 200 results. Has Universal in a year and a half has over 200. They probably got over 1,000. I'm sure they do. So you want to look for this. Two different things. Contract and indebtedness, and then other insurance claim. That lets you know that's basically a homeowner's insurance policy lawsuit. So they filed a claim, they underpaid or didn't pay, and now they're getting sued. And it just goes on and on and on and on and on. I mean, this is why Universal is the worst insurance company in Florida. Let's take a look at another county. We're going to go Lee County. Now, here's the layout for Lee. Search court cases. Now, Lee County was hit by Hurricane Ian. 2 counties that got hit really hard was Lee County, and then also you had Charlotte County. So I have registered. Otherwise, you wouldn't see this business name there. It would just be you could put in anybody's name. But when you register in Lee County, you get access to the business name. So we're going to put in Heritage Property, and we're just going to put, let's just go January of 2022. We'll go before the hurricane. Because Heritage is a smaller company. So let's see what we find out. It's going to take a minute here. But let's see. And Heritage has been one of the worst insurance companies for Hurricane Ian claims. So 145. Now this is one county in a little over a year. Okay? Insurance claim, insurance claim, insurance claim. Here you go. So many times. Filed. Now let's just go from, let's put in another insurance company. Let's see, who probably, Slide. I can't remember what name Slide goes under. Let me just put in Slide. Yeah, that's not it. They go under a different name, and I can't think offhand. Frontline is First Security, I believe. See, Lee County's website is very sensitive, so you have to get the entire name. Yeah. Let me see if I can find Frontline real quick. Frontline Insurance, known as First. I think it's First Security. Let me just put First Security Insurance Company. Let's see if that comes up. First Security. Well, being that it's taken a little bit longer, I think we hit the nail on the head here. No, that's not it. Sorry, guys, because see what happens, a lot of these insurance companies hide under different names. So, like if I put in Allstate, which would be Castle Key. See, this one's very, usually some other counties I could just put in like Castle Key and it will come up. You have to put in Castle Key Insurance Company, I believe. You have to be specific. I'll go back to Universal Property and Casualty on this. Okay, here we go. So it's 114, but Castle Key Insurance Company. I mean, these are all going to be the hurricanes more than likely. But remember, they force people into appraisal, so it's not really a good sign. And let's do one more. Universal doesn't have a big footprint over there on the West Coast. May not be a lot. But the key is you've got to get the insurance company's name right. You can find that out through the Division of Corporations with whatever state, or the state of Florida. Why did it come up a person's name? That's weird. Because I know I've got a few over there in Lee County against Universal that should be coming up, so I'm surprised it doesn't. Yeah. This is weird. So anyhow, at least I just wanted to show you guys a little bit how it's done. You can go to various different counties and just find everything, and it gives you a good indication on what your insurance company is doing. And remember, there's hundreds of counties. I don't know how many counties are in Florida. Maybe not hundreds, right? Close to 100. So you multiply that, if there are 10, 15, or something like Universal, Broward County, where they have, in a year and a half, over 1,000 lawsuits. Can you imagine all the other counties? It's horrible. So hopefully this guide kind of showed you all how you can find how many times your insurance company has been sued or is getting sued in the current time frame for whatever you select. My name's Mike. I'm with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Hopefully this video helped.